The truth is, all of us will spend about 90% of our time here on earth just doing the ordinary stuff of life. And routine can become monotony, and you find yourself doing things like refreshing your email over and over again, looking for something, anything really, to break up the ticking of the clock. But maybe the problem is in our definition of significance. What if the whole idea of ordinary is a myth? And what if God doesn't want you to escape from the ordinary? What if He wants you to find meaning and significance inside it? I wanted to write a book for the parent who spends 70 or 80% of their time changing diapers. And I wanted to write a book for the person who gets in their car every day and has the same boring commute to the office where they look around at the same four walls. I wanted to write a book for those people who look around and wonder if there's any real meaning and significance in what they're doing. My hope is that when you read the book, you'll come to find out that the answer is actually not to escape the ordinary. The answer is actually found inside of the ordinary. My hope is that people will come to see to a greater and greater extent that when Jesus enters a situation, He makes the ordinary into something extraordinary. We do our people a disservice when we talk about the abundant life that Jesus offers in terms of some ethereal, exciting experience that's out there. We would do better to help people see that they follow Jesus faithfully in these ordinary areas of life, and that's where real transformation takes place. It takes place when we understand that these seemingly boring areas of life can actually be transformed and redeemed when Jesus is brought to bear in any given situation.